I want to show you a great technique on this countertop that we've already prepped using our deglosser. We got it nice and clean. We put on a coat of cobblestone. It's a great technique. Everything is put together for you in a fabulous bundle offer we have. First thing I'm going to do on this countertop as I get started, only using one of the antiquing gels on this entire project. Using first cobblestone as the base, I'm going to put on a very loose softening to this countertop using this rag. I'm going to put it on there and just rub it back. And you'll see what I mean by how that gives a stone look simply just by doing this little step. Real easy, just kind of moving it around. That's going to begin to soften that so it doesn't look so painted. That's why I have the same product that comes in the bundle, the white antiquing gel. Just put it on here over cobblestone, also in the bundle. I'm going to show you now how to use the fabulous faux pas. This is our unique tool. Works for left or right hand. You can put it on any way that you can support it. So you can pull it over your whole hand. Again, I'm gonna put it on my left hand. It looks backwards to you here, but I'm gonna put it on my left so I can demonstrate it to you easier. I'm gonna take my Syntec brush, which also comes into your kit, and I'm gonna put on, just brushing on a coat right onto this tool. And I'm gonna start just making random stamps here, continuing to lay that on, no pattern really intended. I'm gonna lay it on here pretty quickly. I'm gonna go back over that. Now I'm gonna take the dry roller and I'm gonna roll through that pretty quickly. And I wanna kind of smear that in. That's what I'm trying to do, just kind of give that smudged feeling of a grain that's underneath there or texture that's in there, but not so pronounced. Now, more precise with what we do here, I'm gonna take my rag, I wanna rub off the sides of this. And what I'm doing that for is I'm going to just only put the antiquing down this very center vein, and I'll show you why. This particular Polaris quartz is soft and very random pattern all over, but then it has a very pronounced line, almost like a marble or a granite will have sometimes, that runs diagonally through the slab. So that's what we're going to do here. Just kind of emulate that best we can just by putting on the antiquing right down that center only, and begin to kind of lay that off in this kind of a motion, creating kind of a line, being more direct with what we're doing rather than random. I'm just going to roll through it just a little because I want it to flatten out. Don't want it to stand up. Just give it just a very soft roll. Just by showing you that, that's all you do. That's it, and it looks as natural and real now. Once it's all finished and dried, you're going to apply our water resistant sealer over the top of that.